Hey everyone, today we have another Agent Elite tutorial for you. This one's going to be on testimonials. I know it's been a little bit since the last one, but we're going to go ahead and jump right into this one. The first thing you're going to want to do is go down to the dashboard and log in. Now, once the dashboard loads up, there are two ways that you can get to the testimonials section. So the first one being in the hover menu, you can see that there's a testimonials section right there. And then in the next menu, you can also see it's just in the top right. We're going to go ahead and click that one. Now you can see all the testimonials that we've entered in for this person. We may have also done this for you at some point. But what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Add New Testimonial. This will bring you to the testimonials page where you can enter the title of it. You can select all the options. Anything you might need to put in there, you can do. Then you're going to go ahead and click Preview if you want, or you can publish it straight away. And it's as easy as that. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask us. You can reach out to us on social media or send an email over to us at support@agentelite.com. We would be happy to help you with whatever you need, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks again for watching this Agent Elite tutorial. Stay tuned for next week.